All right, just a quick video here. There's trouble having this car start, and it's a 1998 Town and Country, and turns out other cars have a similar problem. We're going to see if that's the problem with this car, where you try to turn it on, and normally it fires straight away. In fact, I put a gel battery in this thing, and it works really good. Problem here is that you put the key in, and you try to turn it on, and nothing happens. Actually, what happened before this is I turned it on and it ran for half a second and shut off. It ran strong for half a second, shut off. Did it 3 times, and then the 4th time I went to do it, this is the result. Put the key in. You'll notice the lights went on up there, but they did not go on the instrument cluster. So up on top, on the top panel they go on, but not down below, and that is a security issue. It's a problem that's well known with this car, most likely, and that problem is associated because behind this instrument panel there are solder points, and the solder points deteriorate over time. So this is a 1998, and the solder points have deteriorated, and this car does not start. So that's what I'm going with. Turn the key, you hear a little bit of a whine, but you don't hear the starter engage. You don't hear the click of the starter, or you don't hear click, click, click. If you hear click, 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 most likely it's a bad starter. The starter isn't working right. So in this case, really the issue is the instrument cluster. One more time, push the key in. And you'll notice the lights are on up there. So you can see one of the things it says, it's the alarm set button comes on. It's the alarm set, oil, etc. And then down below in the instrument cluster, there's nothing doing. There's no lights that come on at all. Nothing going on. Oh my God, Fonzie would be super proud. What I just did to get this to start was I banged 4 times hard here, and it started. So the problem definitely is some solder points in the instrument panel. So that is the good news on this, because I did not want to try to change the starter. It's like 4 degrees outside. So, Fonzie, you'd be so proud. I literally banged there 5 times, and it started right up. So, if you have the same problem, here's how I banged. 4 times, right on top of the instrument cluster. That was enough to jiggle the contacts and start the vehicle. I am going to resolder all those points, but I'm going to do that on a day where it's not 4 degrees out. So pretty happy with the result.